This video will demonstrate how to Dutch braid your own hair. Following the demonstration are illustrations and instructions. Hopefully this is helpful for you. Start by combing your hair into a ponytail and then dividing it into 3 equal parts. I often do mine with damp hair. And then we're going to start on the left side and bring the first piece under. And then on the right side, we're going to bring this piece under. So we're just braiding right now, and that was under. Now here starts with the tricky part. This is where we start to add hair. So we're going to use our thumb, section off a piece of hair from the left side, and then it's going to join this piece. So then it goes underneath, and you grab it, and then you take this piece, and now we're here. Now we're starting on this side, and we're going to grab the hair with our thumb, section off a piece, and it's going to join this piece, and it's going to go underneath. There we go. So you use this hand to hold the middle piece, and now we just carry on, sectioning off a piece as we go. Sectioning off a piece as we go. And just use this hand to hold on to what you're not doing when you're partitioning off a piece. You need your full fingers. And this is how I'm grabbing this piece underneath here. Again, I'm holding with both of these hands now and partitioning with this. So this is how I'm grabbing it. So you gotta go like this just to keep everything separated. Forget to make sure you grab all your hair, because you don't want to finish all this work and have a few stragglers hanging down. And then just finish off your braid. Sometimes it's easier to do it in front if you have longer hair.